Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, Cortana is at its end. For those that are using it, you will lose the capabilities of Cortana both on Windows 10 and Windows 11 during the month of August. So if you look at your Cortana app, here's on Windows 10. I actually asked for the weather, and it actually gave me the weather. But here at the bottom it says, by the way, Cortana in Windows is going away soon. Select the link below to learn more. And the link brings you to actually telling you that the Microsoft Edge browser has now the Bing AI capabilities built in and so on. So as a standalone app, Cortana is really going away, and you will be asked to use the other functionalities that you have within Windows, the Copilot, the AI functionalities that Edge will bring. So it's the end of an era. If you do actually a clean install starting now on Windows 11, the Cortana app will not even be there. And if you are using it, and if you're on Windows 11 or 10, well, as the weeks go by, you'll notice that at some point it's actually going to be gone and will not work anymore. So Cortana is dead, and of course it has to do with the fact that AI is coming with its new functionalities. The Windows Copilot will be there at some point. That will replace basically what Cortana was all about. Am I sad to see Cortana go? Kind of. I mean, I used it in the beginning, liked it. Wish they would have continued working on it maybe. Having an assistant in Windows, yeah, why not? You know, I mean, there's assistants in Android, and there's Siri in iOS and so on. It was not a bad idea, I think, but unfortunately, of course, for the most part, never took on really that much. A lot of people didn't use it. Most people didn't use it, but I kind of like the fact that you could have a Cortana app. Let's try something here. Bye-bye, Cortana.
I'll talk to you later.
So, anyways, this is the end of, it goes with the end of Windows 10 a little bit. You know, Cortana and Windows 10 are kind of related together. It's really, truly the end of an era. I find it kind of sad that it's gone. You know, I mean, it doesn't change anything for anyone. If you use it, you use it. If you don't, you don't. But of course, it's obvious that Microsoft's moving ahead towards the Copilot AI. So bye-bye, Cortana. You will be missed for some, but it's going to be and for others, a lot of people probably don't care. But Copilot will replace this eventually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.